Now Jodie, we're at the front of the home, all right, gorgeous home, you've done a very good job. You've got your main entry, but there's also a second, well it seems to me a second entry, with this aluminium double French door.
Yes.
So what's the idea there?
Originally the house did have French doors in this position, and it was really lovely. I used to sometimes have them open and just let breeze come in and out. So I guess I just wanted to replicate that. I didn't just want to have windows there, I wanted to have an access point. So
Very nice. So I can see this, fully framed. And I've noticed there's no break points here, so no framing there. So you like that full panel glass?
yes, it was important. I really wanted to have just one panel of glass, but I also wanted to have ventilation in this space because that is the only window in that room. So we made these two side lights into awnings.
They're actually awning windows?
Yeah.
Okay. So these ones here just wind out?
Yeah, they do.
So just like this?
Yeah, and I can leave those open in summer and just let a little bit of breeze come into the house from the front because the front does face south.
Excellent. I love this different elevation look, that double entry. Stand back,
Yeah.
that complements it beautifully. Well
Yeah.
done. Very clever.